In mid-2025, Piedmont Lithium, formerly trading under the ticker symbol PLL, completed its merger with Sayona Mining, forming a new entity named Elevra Lithium. The merger, following shareholder approval and the satisfaction of all closing conditions, resulted in an equal equity split between Piedmont and Sayona shareholders, with each holding approximately 50% of the combined entity. By combining the complementary strengths of both companies, Elevra emerges as a major player in the lithium industry by becoming one of the largest hard rock lithium platforms. Elevra Lithium now controls several key development stage lithium projects, including North American Lithium, NAL, the largest lithium operation in North America, which ramped up production to 226,000 metric tons of spodumene concentrate annually in June 2024. As part of the merger, Piedmont's common stock and CHESS depositary interests, CDIs, were delisted from the NASDAQ and the Australian Securities Exchange, with Piedmont stockholders receiving 0.35133 American Depositary Shares, ADSs, for each share of Piedmont stock, with fractional shares rounded up. Alongside this, the share consolidation, approved by Sayona's shareholders, has been completed, adjusting every 150 existing Sayona shares into one new share. This consolidation also resulted in each ADS now representing 10 Sayona shares, a change from the previous 1,500. To stay up to date on Elevra Lithium, other companies, and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.